Twist Mixx offers a product line for bathroom cleaning that goes from deodorizer to ceramic cleaner. Quartz is a glass and mirror cleaner with a fresh green apple scent. Reaction is a ceramic cleaner, safe for metallic and glazed surfaces. Catalyst is an odor controller having a bioactive innovative formulation with a fresh scent. Deoberry is a concentrated liquid deodorizer with the fresh scent of wild berries. Deofrais is a concentrated liquid deodorizer with a fresh scent.